Hi there, this is Scott. I'm going to give you an overview of the dashboard. As you can see, we've got it laid out pretty simple, and that's what we wanted. In the center, you've got your items that you're going to work with most of the time. These are the modules you're going to work with on a regular basis. At the bottom, you see where it's got Dynamic Data Solutions. At the bottom, our logo, you click that on. That's all of our contact information right here at your fingertips. You can get to it right here. Okay, so that'll be also a Zoom video in there as well, so you can get for our Zoom meetings and whatnot. Any communication with us would be right there. Next, you see at the very top, you've got the little hamburger. All of these icons in the center come from the hamburger. This is all of our modules in our database rest here. Each one of those modules, the hamburger is on the top blue part of the module, so you can get to it very easily. The reminder system is a little note that comes over. If an email didn't send, like you sent out a task, you did a task and a job was booked for a certain day, um, if it doesn't send for some reason, it will show up right here on the top. So you can open it up, look at it, correct it. It's missing an email, correct it right from here, clear the selection, and then keep moving on. You don't miss anything this way. All the email is all caught as you're working. Across from that, you've got some text in there. That would be anything that would come up that's been shut off will show up here, or whatnot. It would be text will show, and then it will clear when that's been taken care of. Your name will be on the top as well. To the right of that, the question mark, that's going to be your help documents. Everything, all the videos that we've got in our system are labeled in here. So, when you click them on, you can see the videos, just play them. They're short, but it'll give you a tutorial of each one of our modules and kind of a walk through that. The next one is your on and off of your iPad. You can either sign it out. When you push sign out, if you're going to set it down for lunch or something, you come back in. All you'll have to do is just put your password in and you're back in. If you shut it down, you shut down the database from the evening. You disconnect from our server. And then that way everything loads fresh in the morning. The cache is cleared. And would like you to do that every evening if you wouldn't mind to do that. The next thing is on the top, those are your daily actionable deal. This is everything that comes through during the course of the day is going to end up on that top row right below the blue line. So you get here in the morning, you open up your iPad, you open it up. There's your task for the day. We've color coordinated everything so it all matches what the job is. So turquoise is your safety and performance report. The hot orange is a work order. The blue is a to-do. Purple would be a miscellaneous. Green is a follow-up. And gray is a delivery. And all you would do is just touch any one of those and your task is there. You can start your task right from here. Okay, so that's throughout your day, you'll have that. It's also, this is on your calendar as well, on the main calendar. The next one is the hot lead generation. We have a video on that. That's all the devices that fail in the field are just old and worn out and need to be replaced. It's a qualified lead program that we've kind of put together. It's worked very well for us. And I know if you're doing capital equipment, this is something that you really will like. It is an add-on, but it is definitely will pay for itself. Okay. It's notified here that they're notified that the email was sent. They were notified. Listed in green says notified. If they weren't, it needs notification. It'll be lit. Okay. The next one we call it the stacks, but basically it's your activity of safety and performance reports, and then each one of the progress that they're in. Either it's in progress, it hasn't been ready to be built yet. Same with the work order. It's in progress. If it's lit orange, that means it has not been submitted. No one submitted it at the clinic. It's just sitting out there, but it's a catch that you can catch that and say, heck, how come this wasn't submitted? We can't bill it unless it's submitted. Next is in progress, which means there's either something that needs to go back and do the job, finish the job or whatnot. That's what it'll show is in progress. The next one is your shopping cart. That's your purchase orders. They're generated by the invoice through the course of the day. If a purchase order is needed, the tech in the field will put down that we don't have this particular part, and it's requesting it. It comes over for purchasing for the home office. They know what has to be ordered here, and it gives you either find all, or it gives you the ability to look and see which ones are pending and whatnot. You have that within that purchase order module. Next is this is your estimates. All your estimates that have been generated will show up here. You can do the same thing. Push the button, push the card. It'll open up the estimate, take you right to that module so you can deal with it right then and there. Invoice, these are all the invoices that are ready to be, these have been billed already, have come in, and then you've got ones that need to be billed, ready to bill. So it comes over ready to bill, it'll default, so it'll be ready to bill. There they are. These are the ones you've got to bill off this evening. These come over in real time during the course of the day as the techs are working and they submit their job. It will generate the invoice for you. So the home office can go ahead and take care of the billing during the course of the day, all day long. That way you get your billing out quickly and get paid quickly, right? The very last one, this is an internal feature. This is for the owner. And this is just basically a calculation of all of the devices that were tested during the course of the month. Sublocation, this will be for the safety and performance report and work orders and a total. Okay, back to the home screen. This is the dashboard. We hope you like it. It's very interactive, and I think you'll find it to be very helpful.